The 1965 Mercedes-Benz W111 220SEb is a symbol of luxury and refinement, showcasing timeless design and engineering excellence. However, as with many classics, time can take its toll. At first glance, this car appeared in decent condition, but once the disassembly began, hidden issues started to surface. The engine, transmission, and suspension all required extensive repairs. The interior, once adorned with premium leather, revealed significant damage to the seats, door panels, and even the roof lining. Chrome trims were tarnished, and the once beautiful wood veneers were cracked and discolored. With everything stripped down, it was time to address the body. Using a cutting-edge water stripping technique, the car was cleaned under high-pressure water, 3,000 bar to be exact. This method, enhanced with corrosion inhibitors, not only left the body free of abrasive residue, but also prevented metal rippling, offering a pristine surface ready for repair. The water stripping process uncovered the car's true condition. Beneath layers of paint and patchwork repairs, extensive rust and poorly welded metal sheets became evident. The secondary shells were riddled with holes, and mismatched parts from previous owners required removal. Countless hours of cutting, grinding, and welding lay ahead to bring this Mercedes back to its original glory. With the restoration nearing completion, the car has been painted in a luxurious royal green, a color so elegant it surpasses even its original beauty. The deep, rich hue perfectly complements the refined lines of this classic Mercedes. The chrome, now restored to a brilliance beyond new, adds a striking accent to the car's design. The sheer amount of chrome on this vehicle highlights the exceptional craftsmanship involved in bringing each piece back to life. Mechanically, the car has undergone a full transformation. The brake system, suspension, and rear axle were either meticulously restored or replaced with precision components. The engine, now fully restored and repainted, features gold-colored pipes that add a touch of modern sophistication to its timeless design. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. The car has been fully soundproofed with premium materials, ensuring a quiet, comfortable ride. The wood veneers, painstakingly restored, exude unmatched elegance. The combination of leather, fabric, Alcantara, and wood used in the seats and door panels is simply breathtaking. A fusion of textures and materials rarely seen in any restoration. This W111 220SEb is more than a car. It's a work of art reborn. Every detail of this Mercedes-Benz W111 220SEb has been meticulously restored to perfection. From the elegant bodywork to the luxurious interior, every part has been reassembled with care, resulting in a car that is truly breathtaking. Thank you for joining us on this restoration journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible car restorations, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with fellow classic car enthusiasts. See you in the next project.